Navigating the Chinese business landscape can be a complex endeavor. Understanding the business entity types is crucial. Key considerations include market size, competition, and regulations. The regulatory landscape can be challenging but is navigable with the right knowledge. Post-establishment procedures ensure your business is compliant. China offers unique opportunities for foreign investors. However, there are also unique challenges to consider. A comprehensive guide can help navigate these challenges. Understanding the market is key to success. Regulations can be complex, but are manageable with the right information. Establishing a business entity requires careful planning. Post-establishment procedures ensure ongoing compliance. With the right knowledge, the Chinese market offers great potential. Our legal service provides the insights you need to succeed. Embark on your journey in the Chinese market with confidence. Zhong Lun Law Firm offers comprehensive legal services for establishing and operating your business in China. For more information, reach out to us at info@zhonglun.co.uk.